makes sense.
Yes. Yeah.
Shout out to Tene for asking the one and only question that we got.
We posted on Instagram and Snapchat for you guys to ask to send us suggestions or topics you want us to speak about.
And this is what we'll be talking about today. Life of a YouTuber, especially in Jamaica, expectations of others, and what we use to keep us motivated.
I don't think there's anything else to compare it to because well, me, I don't even feel like a YouTuber.
Yeah,
I
I
just
don't
feel
feel like
regular.
a YouTuber.
And people come up to me, but not enough, barely.
Barely.
And say, oh hi Ashley, whatever, I love your videos.
Girl, be a makeup.
Probably in Jamaica, a lot of the like brands and stuff not in Jamaica, so we don't get to work with brands. You're not even a travel.
Yeah, we don't get to work with brands.
But you're looking at the mirror like
you wonder how compass.
but so you can still talk.
Alright.
Events like BeautyCon and BigCon and those stuff don't happen in Jamaica, so it's like we don't get recognized like that. We get recognized by some smaller companies, entities like Hair Skin Love Jamaica. When they have their shows, they usually invite us. So we are recognized on a local scale like that, just by very few Instagram businesses like that. So, but that's just for now, things to improve.
True. We should be doing a, we call it review.
Yeah.
Yeah, review for a popular brand. So you guys will see that soon.
You have shot now?
No.
You have brown eyeliner?
Yeah.
And I have no, what is?
Brown.
No, what is?
Shot. I was looking for actual shot now. For my foundation, I'm using Milani, the 2-in-1 Spice Almond. The same one when I out from the first time. You think most of our audience is local?
Yeah, I don't think most of our audience. Majority is probably in the US, that's what I think.
Yeah. So we're not that recognized here. One and twice. That not sound right.
One and
two times. My friends will like, make fun of it. Oh, you're right, Kaya, YouTube. Like they make some YouTube related jokes like that.
Yeah, anytime I have no money, people are like, what you mean you're a YouTuber? I'm like, but I don't make a living off YouTube. I'm using my foundation to outline my eyebrows like I always do. I mess up, come here, rush. Come now, my friend come crucify.
Yeah, other people expect so we make big money from YouTube. Like Ashley was saying a while ago. Say, oh, you're right, or oh, you're not for come school. Oh, you're not for worry about school because you're a YouTuber. But
yeah, we don't see it as that big of a deal. I feel like, well, I feel pressured. Probably it's not an actual expectation, but I feel pressured to always have my hair looking good. The mirror you want?
yeah,
well,
that's what I see.
Yeah, well, expectations of others will always have to be looking good. My hair always have to look good. I feel pressured to always look proper then, look decent. And if I go on the road and my ear dry and thirsty, I feel bad like people are seeing me and whatever because I'm a public figure.
I don't feel bad. It's only 1 or 2 times nobody ever recognized me to say, so I don't have to worry about anybody seeing me and I'm not looking at my best or up to par. So.
You worry.
Oh, people expect that I know every single thing about
hair.
And I really don't.
Next thing, people expect that I can do hair. I'm not a hair dresser or a hairstylist or whatever. True. People always ask me to do them hair and I'm like, I don't do hair.
I've done people's hair. Them ask me because of YouTube. I do it because I want to, but not because, oh, I'm a hairdresser and whatever. Oh yeah, people also think that, oh, I don't know anything about Ashley's kind of hair because I have this kind of hair.
Oh,
them feel like, oh, you can't help me with my hair because your hair curly and nice and whatever.
Yeah, I put on, if you're watching my makeup video, you see that I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just using my finger to apply concealer. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that serious to me. I'm gonna open it.
Guys, all I'm doing is putting on foundation, eyeliner, mascara, and something on my lips. Nothing
you put on what?
You don't put on the eyeliner.
What's the next question? Daryl soon come pick me up and he say, in more and to be ready by 2:50.
We don't want to go to school. We don't want to work forever. So that is kind of something that keeps me motivated. I want to do something easy. Well, not saying that YouTube is easy because it's really not. But I would really rather to be YouTube or be a stay-at-home wife.
The artistic side of it, what keeps you motivated? Yeah, I like editing videos. Sometimes I don't like filming because it's hard. The setting up and all of that is hard.
Seeing other big YouTubers like
other YouTubers like Wemo and Raven Elise. Yeah, them put in the work and it motivates me to want to do the work. And then yeah, our subscribers who leave us on our videos saying very sweet stuff and shows that them like what we do and those stuff.
Yeah, they actually ask
questions and
show interest and like
make we know so we not do all these videos in vain.
Just to get those 1 or 2 comments to say something nice.
And when I was doing the 30-day challenge, you have like about
like
5 or 7
that comment every day and we're looking out for the videos and everything.
And me look out for them comments. Just like they look out for my video, me look out for them comments.
And as much as I don't post a lot, you have some people who always have nice things to say and comment on my videos. And
I think you never see them, you never see them.
Of course I see them. Yeah, they're nice.
And them always ask, where is Dana?
I never yet see them come.
People always, even Deja comment for one of the videos, them ask, where is Dana?
But I'm here, I'm alive. I'm just real.
Let me put your comment. Just lip gloss. Just like I put on one lip gloss from in 8th grade. I'm hoping I right now.
8th grade.
You never hear that?
I want to say that you have to move.
Where did you shave it down?
No, I'm not lip gloss.
So yeah guys, I'm gonna pull out my ear for sure. I'm gonna do my plant because it got hot water. Look at it, it's frizzy. So I plan to dip it in some hot water. But this hairstyle was inspired by Alyssa Forever. Give me the hot water please.
So what we're gonna do, wrap up just say.
Pass me towel please. My hot water on my ear.
Look out for the video where she struggles.
Not me alone, all of us struggle.
All through away. Ashika, say hey.
What am I to do?
Put that part down in there.
It's too full. It can't go down.
So you guys will see pictures on Instagram and Snapchat. So look out for those. And yeah.
Outfit pictures.
That's outside.
Alright, bye guys.
Thank you